Assalamualaikum, and I am Muhammad Rizwan bin Ismail. So today I will do some lab test for hatchback for automotive. So what I am going to do today, so firstly I will determine where is the high pressure port and low pressure port. So in this car, Pro 2 Viva, so this is high pressure port and this is a low pressure port. So how to differentiate between these two ports is this hose or this low side port has a bigger hose than this high pressure port. So that is how we differentiate high and low pressure. So what's with the low side port and high side port? So these two port is part of the air conditioning system in this car. So basically in any other car also have low side port and high side port. So what I am going to do today is I will performing a checking to determine whether there is a leakage or not in this AC system. So firstly, there is so many ways to check whether there is a leakage or not. So the first one is visual checking. So we inspect or we check at the joints or the compressor whether there is refrigerant oil or not. So the other way is to use a bubble or a soap to determine whether there is a air bubble pop out from the joint or compressor or any other part that might be leakage. So let's go. So the first thing you want to do before performing AC checking, you need to grab your key first. So after you grabbing your keys, you need to start the engine. After you start the engine, you need to wait for a minute before we proceed to the next step. So after you start your engine, you open the AC system and you wait for a minute for it to running. So what I have here is soap dissolving in water. So the most or the possible spot where it always have a leakage is right here, and right here. So what is the use for this soap is we need to spray to the spot where usually might have a leakage. So after we spray it, we need to inspect whether there is air bubble appear or not at the solution. So if there is no air bubble, it means it probably means there is no leakage. So guys, that is how we performing checking for leakage from AC system. That's all from me. Thank you.